Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is a highly contagious respiratory illness caused by a type of bacteria called Bordetella pertussis. The disease is only found in humans. It is a highly contagious disease that can spread through coughing, sneezing, or close contact with an infected person. The cough can be so severe that it can cause vomiting, difficulty breathing, and even death. There is a vaccine available that can protect against whooping cough. If you think you or your child may have whooping cough, it is important to see a doctor right away.